Well, we didn't have a video like this for a long time. What do we have here? Some Wiha Classic screwdrivers. New old stock, even though it has dirt from being stored for long. But it should clean up quickly. Yes, the package was obviously opened up before, and I'm looking forward to check out these chemical and oil-resistant acetate handles I love so much, and of course also the hardened and nickel-plated tips. They're very sought after by me. The best thing is, I also do have the right tool to open up this package. Ooh, I almost missed that. Wiha Vierkant, der klassische Schraubendreher für vielseitige Einsätze. Wiha Square Handles, the classic screwdriver for multiple applications. I can't imagine how it was back then to just walk into a hardware store and find them on the hanger. Simply as that. Wow, what a terrible squeaky noise. But what can I say? I'm still in love. Let's clean those puppies up. A bit of Windex should suffice. Yeah, that is more like it. But can you see those scratches now? Well, those are tools. They get scuffed up anyway. And nothing beats that handle for me. I simply love it. I'll clean up the rest now.
A few moments later.
So, let's have a closer look. I find it odd that the 4.5mm screwdriver doesn't get the laser etching for more grip, but the bigger sizes do. Other than that, they look perfect. And while we are comparing things, let's get my Ghidorah screwdriver for comparison. Funnily, they have both the same product number, 148. And the finish is not the only difference between those tips. It's hard to see, but the Ghidorah one seems to be straight, and the Wiha ones, they do have a step. There are two angles that meet, so I believe the screwdriver has more meat at the tips. I guess this should make it stronger. And isn't it beautiful how that nickel plating still shines? And I love this laser etching. It just looks cool with laser hardening. Moving on with the Phillips side of this comparison, I own this beautiful Dovidat Phillips 1 screwdriver that has seen a lot of work over the past years. Looking at both, I will definitely replace it. The Wiha one seems more elegant, simply. But let's also have a closer look. The Dovidat on the right was left simply straight. They cut in the needed grooves. That's it. Wiha, on the other hand, shaped its tip. They turned a step into it, and shaped it so elegantly. And of course, there's lots of wear to see on the Dovidat one. That reminds me of old Vera bits. These were still made in Germany back then, and I know it isn't the same size, but it seems to me that they did also extra steps just to look nice. A bit of effort is shown, and you feel it subconsciously, even though we are not looking at the details. Ah, what a time! And on the bigger tip, you can see the shaping much better. With my Stubai screwdriver in comparison, you simply can't unsee those differences. Straight cut here, and beautifully shaped there. And this Vera bit is also shaped similarly. I wonder if this was a design choice, or simply a result due to its manufacturing processes. As if those tips were unground but forged somehow. But they're clearly not. On the plus side for the Stubai is of course their included hex if you need a bit more girth, unscrewing tighter screws. But still, I will also replace it on my 2-war with this Wiha one. So, what do you think about red acetate handles and my little obsession with the Wiha Classic screwdrivers? Please let me know down in the comments. And that wraps it up for today. Oh, and I almost forgot that I have this ugly Ghidorah screwdriver in my screwdriver pension box. I know it's high quality with laser engraving and such, but it's so big and clumsy looking. I simply can't help it. I'm not able to use it. Poor taste, Ghidorah. Poor taste.